Hey, what's up, y'all? I want to thank y'all so much for tapping in with me, and make sure to put notifications on so you get a notification every time I release a video. I release several videos every day, the latest news. Okay, so that was Ruby Rose, who of course has an OF account just like all the other women from IG, and she was being stretched out by, some say it's her boyfriend. It may be her boyfriend, I'm not sure, but I know that that guy is actually a trainer, so it's most likely her trainer. But if she lets him hit, I wouldn't be surprised. But what he's doing is he's training with her and stretching her out, and yeah. So let me know in the comment section if she is your type, and make sure to watch next videos I got for you.